Hi, I'm Dennis from Accountants Desktop. In this video, I'll take you on a quick tour of our FBT workpapers, which are designed to help you manage the preparation of FBT returns, or to calculate the employee contribution required to reduce the value of those benefits to zero. For those who just need to calculate the value of a car benefit, there's a separate workbook called FBT Cars, which is identical to the Cars worksheet in this job paper. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up below, and don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Our FBT calculator is an Excel workbook which you download from our site and save to your document management system with other client records for easy retrieval. We call our workpapers job papers because they're an all-in-one working paper solution to completing a particular job. The only protected areas in job papers are our formulas and written content. All other areas can be used for whatever purpose, giving you maximum flexibility. You can load client records by either copying and pasting, or use our import Excel routine with just a few clicks, and add screenshots, pictures, shapes, icons, or even ticks and crosses to make it easier for you to follow or review your work. Several handy job management tools are also included with the file. Use it for all employer and benefit types. See a summary for the FBT return and a summary of benefits by employee. At the end of the workbook, there are 20 unprotected blank sheets for DIY calculations. This is the dashboard that you'll see when you first open the file. You enter general client information here and can see the contents of the entire file in one screen. And the job paper file contains multiple worksheets. To help with navigation, we've added a customized tab called Accountants to the main Excel menu. This menu will help you find your way around. You'll have a much better experience using job papers if you navigate using this menu. Another option for navigating a large workbook is using the pop-up menu at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen, which you can access with a right click in that area. You can then select a worksheet from the pop-up list. The worst way to navigate in a job paper file is by scrolling through individual tabs at the bottom of the screen. There are a few handy tools in the Accountants menu. For example, you can use the back button to go back to the previous screen and constantly switch between those two screens, the top button to go to the top of a long sheet, the ticks and crosses buttons to place ticks and crosses alongside any data anywhere, and the Import Excel button to import an entire Excel worksheet or just selected parts. Also on the dashboard, you can see job management information such as the number of items in each sheet and the number that are not yet completed. Below that, you have the FBT reports section, and each item there will display a green tick where applicable to show that sheet as in use. Likewise, a list of benefit calculations below that. If you choose to use any of the DIY sheets, you should enter a description in that box to show that sheet as in use. And there's a comments box that you can use for any purpose. Moving through the workbook, there are 3 optional job management checklists that you can customize to help with job processing. They include a pre-job checklist, a procedures checklist, and a post-job checklist. To help you manage your job, there's also a to-do list and a query sheet, both with links to take you to the particular record on the file. There's also a sheet to copy in a screenshot of the relevant parts of any emails, and a sheet for general file notes. And the record sheet allows you to import Excel data or paste anything relevant to the job. In the reports group, you'll find a return summary, an employee summary, sheets to paste the FBT and integrated client accounts from the ATO portal, and a sheet with FBT rates used in the calculations. The benefits group is where you'll find calculators for all fringe benefit types. The cars sheet shows a summary of all car benefits entered, and each car can be accessed via the left-hand side menu. This is a sample of the calculation for car number 1. The loan sheet also shows a summary of loan benefits, and likewise, each loan can be accessed via that left-hand side menu. This is a sample calculation for loan number 1. Then there are sheets to calculate the value of the following benefits: debt waivers, expense payments, housing, living away from home, board, property, rebatable or exempt employer meal entertainment, other or residual benefits, car parking, and meal entertainment. And at the end of the workbook, you'll find those 20 DIY sheets that you can use for any purpose. Thank you for watching this video on our FBT job papers. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give it the thumbs up below. And don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. My details are shown on the screen, so please feel free to contact me for any further information.